Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware and OS visibility. Physically reseat the drive, try a different cable or port, and confirm power. Then open Disk Management. Make sure the drive appears, note its letter, and record whether it reports RAW, unallocated, or offline. Once done, make a clear decision path. If the drive is missing, troubleshoot hardware. If visible but RAW or unallocated, prepare recovery steps. This quick triage prevents wasted recovery attempts and preserves evidence for the next actions. With an image made, you avoid risking the original, so use DRescue or an equivalent to capture a sector-by-sector copy. Once you have a verified image, run read-only diagnostics, run test disk to scan and restore partitions, or use chkdsk in read-only mode to inspect NTFS metadata. If file system repair is indicated, work on the image copy, not the original. Make incremental notes, which tools you ran and what they reported, because those details guide whether to attempt repair or escalate to specialized recovery. Now perform targeted repairs on the image. Run test disk to rewrite partition tables or use file system-specific repair tools on the copy, and then restore the repaired image back to the drive. After restoration, mount and verify files with checksums and open critical documents to confirm integrity. If tools cannot recover key data, stop and consult a professional lab rather than continuing destructive writes. One key troubleshooting tip: if symptoms persist, try connecting the drive to a different OS or adapter to rule out host driver issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.